Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Types of networks. A network is a collection of interconnected devices, such as computers, servers, routers, switches, and other networking equipment, that are linked together to share resources, exchange information, and communicate with each other. It enables the transfer of data and facilitates collaboration among users and devices within a defined environment. The primary purpose of a network is to enable the sharing of resources, information, and services between connected devices. Networks can be classified based on their size and scope. This lesson will learn about the applications and features of 1. LANs, SANs, WANs and PANs. 2. Intranet, extranet, internet and cloud. 3. Wired and wireless integration. LANs, SANs, WANs and PANs. Networks are usually classified according to the size of the network. Is it around a single person, a single building, or perhaps the entire world? Local Area Network, LAN, and Wireless Local Area Network, WLAN. A local area network, LAN, is a network that connects devices within a limited geographical area, such as a home, office, or campus, using wired connections like Ethernet cables. It enables communication, resource sharing, and data transfer among connected devices in a localized environment. A wireless local area network, WLAN, is a type of network that allows devices to connect wirelessly, using radio frequency signals, instead of physical cables. It provides flexibility and mobility, enabling devices to connect to the network within the coverage area without the need for wired connections. Storage Area Network, SAN. A storage area network, SAN, is a specialized network architecture designed for high-speed data storage and retrieval. It connects servers and storage devices, allowing multiple servers to access storage resources simultaneously. SANs provide centralized storage management, high performance, and scalability for data-intensive applications. They are commonly used in data centers and enterprise environments to support large-scale storage needs and enable efficient data sharing and storage management. Wide Area Network, WAN. A wide area network, WAN, is a network that spans a large geographical area, connecting multiple local area networks, LANs, or other networks. It uses various technologies such as leased lines, satellite links, or the internet to enable communication between geographically dispersed locations. WANs are commonly used by organizations with branch offices in different cities or countries to establish connectivity and facilitate data sharing over long distances. Personal Area Network, PAN. A personal area network, PAN, is the smallest type of network, typically centered around an individual's personal devices. It connects devices like smartphones, tablets, laptops, and wearable devices in close proximity, enabling them to communicate and share data. PANs are commonly established using technologies like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct, allowing for convenient and wireless connectivity between personal devices. PANs are used for personal convenience and device synchronization, such as transferring files between devices or using peripherals like wireless keyboards or Intranet, extranet, internet and cloud. Intranet. An intranet is a private network accessible only to authorized individuals within an organization. It is used for internal communication, collaboration, and sharing of information and resources. Intranets are typically accessed using web browsers and provide a secure environment for employees to access company-specific tools, documents, and applications. Extranet. An extranet is an extension of an intranet that allows limited external access to authorized external parties, such as business partners, clients, or suppliers. It provides a secure platform for sharing specific information, collaborating on projects, or conducting transactions with trusted external entities. Wired and wireless integration. Wired and wireless integration involves combining both wired and wireless technologies within a network infrastructure. This integration enables the benefits of each technology to be leveraged effectively. Wired connections offer reliable and high-speed data transmission, making them suitable for devices that require consistent and high-bandwidth connectivity. On the other hand, wireless connections provide flexibility and mobility for devices such as laptops, smartphones, and IoT devices. By integrating wired and wireless technologies, organizations can create a versatile network that caters to the diverse connectivity needs of various devices. This integration requires careful planning, proper network design, and implementation to ensure seamless connectivity, optimal performance, and secure communication across the network.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.